Hello guys, welcome back to Code with Bishal YouTube channel. This is complete web development series. In this series, we will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, PHP, Ajax, SQL from very beginning. This is second part of the video and this is HTML introduction video. Let's start our HTML introduction. HTML basically. HTML is a markup language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is official language for writing website. We use HTML for writing website. Like without HTML, we can't write code for. We can't make website. HTML is used for defining web skeleton, like how your website should looks like how, what content should be there on your website. HTML is used for defining these things. HTML tells the website how to display the content on a web page. It basically tells the website to display the content, like how it should be listed. Like you can see images there, links, buttons, such things, and there are HTML tags which tells browser or your computer to display these contents. Like for example, HTML tells browser to display a link in this format. HTML tells a browser to display a button in this format. HTML tells browser to display an image. Like HTML tells how to display the content of a web page. HTML structure visualization. This is a basic HTML skeleton. Like this is boilerplate of HTML. We start with HTML and start head. After ending head, we start body, and everything we see on our page is written inside body. So let's understand this HTML structure. First, we write HTML like this, and we close the HTML in such way. Everything is written inside opening and closing HTML, and after this we write head. After writing HTML inside HTML, we will write head. Head is basically the information part for the website, and inside head we write title. This is our page title, which we see on the top of the browser. After writing head, after head we will write body. Like everything that is displayed on the web page are written inside body, and HTML file is saved with .html and .htm format. Let's write our very first code. Like we are going to write our very first HTML code. So open VS Code. We are going to use VS Code as our code editor. I have created a folder named code files, and I am opening it on VS Code. So let's start our journey of writing HTML codes. You will write your very first HTML in this video. First, I will suggest to use some extension named live server. Please find live server this extension and install it. And also no, you don't need any other extension for now. Let's write our very first HTML code. Create a new file, name it index.index, and I have told you HTML is saved with .html or .htm format, but we will use HTML because this is the standard. So we created our very first HTML file, and let's write. I have told you we start HTML by writing HTML like this. It automatically writes the closing tag of it, so we didn't need to write. But if your code editor does not write, then you need to write the closing of everything, closing of every tag. And I have showed you after HTML we write head. It has automatically closed the head closing tag, and after this we will write title. We give it a title. My first HTML. After head, I have told you to write body. Okay, sorry, write body, and it automatically close the body. But don't forget to use closing tag. You always remember to close the opening tag of HTML. We write everything inside HTML. Let's write our heading, like our page heading. And save it. If you have downloaded this live extension server, then right click it, and open with live server. Click on open with live server, and it will open to your browser, and you can see this is our very first HTML written here. Okay, this much for this video. We will learn more on upcoming videos, so stay connected, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.